Meet Insta360 Go, the world's smallest stabilized camera. Go is made to move. Its magnetic body lets you shoot from your point of view. No bulky mounts, just hands-free shooting so you can focus on the good stuff. One tiny camera, 6 axes of stabilization. Run, ride, or dunk. Go keeps it smooth. Cinematic shots are as easy as walking. Capture stabilized hyperlapses on the fly. Tweak your shots in the app and turn heads. You can mount Go just about anywhere. Get creative or hand it off to a pro. When the day's over, just pop Go in the charge case and plug in to grab your footage. This is where the magic happens. Go uses AI to find your best shots and edit them together on beat. You pick the song, Go does the rest. Capture the highlights anytime, anywhere. That's Insta360 Go, the 20-gram Steadicam.
Meet Robobee. It creates personalized lessons for language learning, STEM activities, and helps with speech delay and more based on your child's individual learning pace.
Hello, friend. How was your day?
Robobee teaches your children through daily lessons, conversations, and by playing with them. Robobee sees when your child is happy or sad
Knock, knock.
and initiates a friendly conversation with her.
Robobee.
This emotional support leads to happier and more motivated children who perform better in academics. Robobee can interact with more than one child, and using facial recognition can greet each of them individually.
What was that?
Hello, John.
And as your child grows up, Robobee does too. It learns and develops alongside your child. Robobee is a great companion for your child, but most importantly, it is access to a huge, cloud-based, ever-developing, and state-of-the-art educational curriculum. Your children
To
will
eat
always be
or not to
engaged
eat?
and happy with Robobee.
That is the question.
Back our campaign on Indiegogo.
We are EveBot, a team of innovators. In the past 18 months, we have redesigned the printer into a portable pen to embrace your creative lifestyle. Introducing our latest development, Print Pen, that offers countless possibilities to bring your designs to life. A specially designed ink and printer roller that helps you transform any surface to canvas. Change the conversational style and build great connections at work. Be more efficient and quirky at work. Just tap on the app, select the desired image, or create it with just a finger swipe. See, there you go. Experiment and play around with laser engraving. A shortcut for making prototypes, which can be designed on your computer or smartphone and laid out on leather, textile, paper, or any material of choice. Turn any surface into an open canvas with the easily navigable print pen. Pull your ideas out from the screen and cast them on the wall. Its unique structure allows it to print on uneven or irregular surfaces. From home decor to work desk, Print Pen lets you express your personal style in an original and innovative way. Print Pen also offers a budget-wise practice for your business. A hands-on solution for everyone. Efficiently share your designs with your friends. And they can print out instantly, anywhere. Perk up your social life and impress your friends. With skin-friendly ink, it's safe to print on your body. Let's get the party started. Print Pen is here to pave the path to your success. Create your business's identity. Offer a unique experience to your customers, or just add a personal touch to spice up your day-to-day routine. Print on the go. Print with no limitations.
Food waste represents nearly half of our trash contents. In other words, in North America, this translates to over 265 million tons of waste each year. However, organic waste is full of nutrients, and we believe that it should be recycled instead of being sent to the landfill.
We are the founders of Taro, a product that will revolutionize home composting.
Taro is a small kitchen appliance that significantly reduces the amount of household food waste. Taro quickly transforms food residues into a rich fertilizing powder without any repulsive odors. Over the week, we put all sorts of food waste into the container, including animal-based products. When it is full, we simply turn on the machine. In only about 3 hours, Taro's technology grinds and dries your waste, reducing its volume by 90% without any bad odors or attracting annoying flies. The result? A dry, homemade fertilizer for your garden, plants, and lawn. Imagine reducing half of your ecological footprint in your kitchen.
We've overcome various technological challenges in order to achieve a quick and efficient recycling process.
After having built several prototypes, we are proud that Taro's technology is unique, reliable, and energy efficient.
Taro was created having in mind durability, high quality, and ease of use. Its elongated container allows for food residue to be swept in from a cutting board without any mess. The 5 liters container holds a reasonable amount of waste, all while keeping the product compact and leaving plenty of counter space for cooking. Taro is easy to clean, and its container can be put in the dishwasher. Taro operates quietly, and its odor filter eliminates bad smells. The resulting fertilizing powder contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, key foods for healthy plant growth. This all-natural fertilizer can be stored for up to a year without developing any mold.
We're ready to make Taro a reality, and we've chosen to begin with you here on Kickstarter.
With your support, we can achieve our mission, offer you an alternative solution to home composting and help build a sustainable future. Merci à tous les Québécois qui nous suivent depuis le début.
C'est enfin le moment que vous attendiez pour pouvoir précommander votre Taro.